Hello students, I am Gayatri Miss and today I am going to teach you Moral Science of Class UKG and the topic name is Magic Words. M-A-G-I-C, Magic, W-O-R-D-S, Words, Magic Words. So now, first of all, I would like to tell you these all the magic words. So, first is please, P-L-E-A-S-E, please, T-H-A-N-K, thank, Y-O-U, thank you, W-E-L-C-O-M-E, welcome, S-O-R-R-R-Y, E-X-C-U-S-E, excuse, M-E, me, excuse me. So, please, thank you, welcome, sorry, excuse me, these all are words that are called magic words. You know students, why do we say these all the words magic words? Because it works like magic. Suppose you need something, then you should use please. Please give me this pen. Please give me this pencil. Okay? And if that person will give you, then what you will say? You will say thank you. Yes? Suppose you have made any mistake, then and you have realized, then what you will say? You will say sorry. So these all are magic words. Please, thank you, welcome, sorry, excuse me. So now I would like to teach you one by one that how do we use these all the words and in which situation, in which condition. So the first is please, P-L-E-A-S-E, please. You know students, we use please in many ways. Use please to politely ask for something. We use please to encourage or more strongly to say someone to do something. We say please to make a polite request. For example, please give me a pencil. Now, we use please for strong request. Please close the door. You can see in this picture, this girl, what she is telling? She is telling to that person, please come in. This girl is helping to this old man and she is telling, please come in. And in this picture, you can see this boy is telling to this lady that sit down, please. So, we use please in such type of the situation and the conditions. We use please to accept things politely. For example, do you want a coffee? Yes, please. We use please to encourage someone to do something. For example, I will send you an email tomorrow. Please do. Now, we use please in order to make request more polite. So children, whenever you request to anyone, then which word you will use? You will use please. Now, the next is T-H-A-N-K, thank, Y-O-U, thank you. So, dear children, say thank you when you are receiving a compliment. We use expression with thank you and thanks to respond to something politely to show we are grateful for something. In this picture, you can see this boy is telling thank you. Why? Because this lady, she is giving a gift to this boy. So what in the reply that boy is telling? That boy is telling thank you. So whenever somebody will give you something, then what you will say? You will say thank you or thanks when someone does something for you or gives you something. So you can see in this picture, thank you is often used at the beginning of a reply to an offer. It can be used in both the positive and the negative form, either accept or refuse an offer. For example, would you like something to drink? thank you, I like apple juice. So here refusing, but even we are using thank you. Now, do you want to join at the concert at night? No, thank you. I need to study. So understood how we will use thank you, magic word. Now the next is welcome, welcome. So welcome as a polite response when someone thanks you for something. Welcome is something you would say when you want to show another person that you are happy to have them in your space. That might be your home, a meeting, etc. So you might say welcome when someone comes to your house. Welcome to my home. Welcome is a polite, friendly word to say to someone. In this picture, you can see that this man is telling to another person that thanks. So in the reply, what this person is telling? He is telling, you're welcome. So, understood dear? How do we use welcome magic word? Now, the next is SORRY, sorry. It is used for telling sorry to someone that you are ashamed or unhappy about something that you have done that has hurt or upset them. Sorry is used in a situation as a way of asking someone to forgive you for doing something rude. Sorry for politely asking someone to repeat something that they have said. Sorry is used for interrupting to correct a mistake that you have made while speaking. Used for politely disagreeing with someone's opinion. So, children, understood? If due to you someone has got the hurt and you have done something rude, in that situation also, if you will realize your mistake, then you should say to that person, sorry. So, these all are the magic words. So, now the next is excuse, me, excuse me. We use excuse me to apologize to someone when you have disturbed or interrupt them. We use excuse me as a polite way of indicating that you are about to leave or that you are about to stop talking to someone. For example, excuse me, I have got work to do. Now, we use excuse me to indicate that you are about to disagree with someone. For example, excuse me, but I want to know who will help me in this work. So like this, you will use excuse me word. Now, we use excuse me to apologize when you need to move past someone in a crowd, saying, excuse me. Now, we use excuse me word when we have done something impolite or like sneezing, coughing, then what do we say? We should say, excuse me. So students, have you understood? How do we use? These all are the magic words. You can see in this picture, the two friends are going. And see this girl, she wants to say something. So what she is telling first of all? She is going to disturb them. So first she is telling, excuse me. So in this same way, we should also use these all magic words in our day-to-day life. like please, sorry, welcome, thank you, excuse me. Understood, students? So, you all will use these all the magic words in day-to-day life. Thank you.